Hey, what's up guys? This is Tutorial Guy, and in this video we're going to configure SSH in Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's begin. So let's bring up this switch here, and let's bring up this PC here. Let's connect this using this copper straight cable. Keep this fast Ethernet 0/1 and connect this PC fast Ethernet 0, and let's call this, go to desktop, and let's give this IP configuration, IP address to the PC 192.168.2.1. hit tab. Let's close this for now, and let's go to this switch, CLI, command line interface, and let's maximize this. Let's enable this first to enter the privilege mode. Now let's go to the global configuration mode by entering configure terminal, and by the way, you can type conf and press tab so that it auto completes, and hit enter. We are now in the global configuration mode. Now let's use the interface VLAN, which is default in switch. So we are basically saying that we want to use this. So interface VLAN1 is basically telling the switch that we want to use this default. So interface VLAN1, press enter. Now let's give this IP address. We want to give this the IP address of 192.168.2.2. Let's keep this the subnet marks as this is class C, so 255.255.255.0. So now let's get this no shutdown so that it changes this state to up. Now as this state is up, what we need to do now is we are configuring from SSH, so we need to give it this IP domain name. So IP domain name, I will give this cisco.com for now, and we need to give this the username and password. So username, I would give this Cisco, and password CCNA. Now we need to change the host. Now the host is this, so we need to change this name to something like this. I will give this host as W1. Now we need to give this SSS version, so SSS ver tab to IP SSS version 2. Now we need to create an Rsa key. That is basically we need to generate a crypto key. So crypto key generate Rsa, and how many bits would give this 360 between 362 2048. Now I would keep this 1024 for now. You can give it anything between these two ranges. Now we need to virtual teletype it. So I'm asking for 5 devices, so 0 to 4, which is 5s. So line VTY 0 to 4, 0 space 4, and as it is enabled, as you can see. Now for taking the SSH request, what we need to do is transport input SSH. So it takes up the SSH request after we've done this. Now what we need to do is log in local so that it enters this thing in here, and we need to do is enable secret Cisco and do write so that it writes and that it save the whole configuration here. So let's close this. Now let's go to this PC's command prompt and hit ipconfig So as you can see, we are in this IP address of 192.168.2.1, and remember we have given this switch to IP address of 2.2. So let's ping that 192.168.2.2. That is basically we are sitting here and accessing this switch, or you can say we are configuring SSH in Cisco Packet Tracer. In just a second, we're just pinging here now. So it's coming the request reply. Let's do it again, and it will be 100%. Yes, now to configure SSH, what we need to do is type SSH -l, that is, take this username, that is which comes after this, that is, we have given the username CIsco, as you can remember. So SSH-l CIsco, that is username, followed by the IP address, that is IP address of the switch, so 192.168.2.2. so as you can see, we now need password, that is CCNA. Now we need to enable this. So again, it asks for the password, which is, that is the enable secret password, which I configured to Cisco. So Cisco. So we are now in privilege mode. Now let's enter the global configuration mode by typing in configure terminal. So here we are. So this is how you configure the SSH using, so this is how you configure SSH in Cisco Packet Tracer. So there you have it, guys. So if you want to any of this video, please, if you like any of this video, please like, and if you have any queries, please comment and subscribe for more videos like this. So bye guys, peace.